Okay, let's talk about indicator, position size indicator, which is the best indicator ever for risk management. And this is so cool because you get to set your risk and then place the trade, which is really nice. If you guys want to know what broker I use Hankotrade. The link will be down in the description if you want to sign up with Hanko. They're really solid brokerage. I like it. Make sure you choose ECN for accounts less than 25K and ECN plus for those over 25K. I really hate brokers that have a high spread, some crazy wicks that will rip you off. So Hankotrade doesn't have anything like that. And you can actually fund your account with crypto, and it's pretty fast. You can sign up in 2 minutes. The cool thing is that Hankotrade is no KYC, believe it or not. So you can actually trade crypto, oil, nat gas. You can trade whatever you want to there, and it's pretty cool. I think you should try it. So basically this is the indicator. When you want to place a trade, it's very important that we go to script and we ask for confirmation, and we let this thing marked here, the disable trading when lines are hidden. So you go to main, and then when you show lines, they will show, and then you can trade. So if you go to Psc-Trader, right click it, you can set your hotkey here, and I set mine to Ctrl B and Modi to set for Alt T. Okay, perfect, done. And every time you go for Alt T, you're just going to place your trade according to your setting. Usually I let it to have just one target profit. Where is this thing, Modi, so that you set the take profits? Because
you have to go to the indicator. You can do it right clicking here. You go to indicator list, and then you double click on position size calculator, and these are the options for the indicator.
Oh, cool.
And there's a lot of options. You can change, all the colors and everything. All this kind of customization.
Nice.
Then you can scroll all the way down to make it easy. You scroll all the way down, and here you see script take profits number, and here is where you set. You can double click and you can change
like
1, 2.
Okay.
But,
can you put just one, please? Because I think this is the standard, right?
You can put one, and as you can see that.
Oh yeah, this is the standard. It's beautiful.
There is only one take profit.
So this is actually pretty cool, because once you have set, everything here, you just put your entry, your stop loss, and your take profit. And this indicator actually shows you the risk reward, which is 2 to 1, meaning that you risk $1, you're going to make 2 for this trade. The indicator also shows you the position size. It's awesome. And
it calculates it for you.
Yeah, so it's like this. Okay, I'm playing gold now. I can trade like 2 lots of gold. Okay, so don't do that, because if you're playing 2 lots, maybe risk is too high. It's 0.68. Okay, so gold is not like I feel like I should play 5 lots. Man, this is a lot. This is almost 2%, and there is a row. Okay, so we should start with 0.5%, so you play safe, because the only reason you might want to play a lot of lots is when you're not consistent. I mean, you want to make more money, so that's not the way to go. If we keep our risk steady, then we can analyze the results and enjoy it, because it's way easier. So this indicator actually is really cool. And here is the thing. Let's say your entry is now, and gold is 1933, right? So you can put it there, 1933, and then let's enter. If you move here for instant, it will instantly enter now. But if you want to choose the level, you have to click here, and then you choose the pending order. Okay, but let's say you enter now. Okay, So what do you have to do, Maurizio, to enter?
No,
Alt?
well, after you set up your stop loss and take profit,
Yes.
which you can either do it here or you can move the lines as well.
Oh,
You have
nice.
to select it and you can move them up and down. And the value, as you can see, the value updates here. So after you set up your stop loss or entry, whichever way you want, then you have to click your hotkeys. If you didn't set the hotkeys, you can double click the script like this. And it appears this window, which is the confirmation, the option that we set up there. So
You mean the Psc-Trader, right? Not the position size calculator. Where are you clicking?
No, if you have your hotkey set, you can just, like here, Alt-T. I'm here and I just do Alt-T and this is what happens. It's the same. But if you don't have a hotkey for some reason, you can just double click here the script.
The Psc-Trader.
To download the Psc-Trader, yes. And you will execute your trades.
Nice.
And and here is the trades, exactly like it was here.
Okay, I see you're using a demo account mode, train all of this. So
yeah, I can close it, it doesn't matter. Just
if you click now Alt plus T, it will enter the trade, right?
It will show this confirmation window because here we set ask for confirmation. If you disable it and I click Alt T, the trade is already here.
Nice.
Because directly is not recommended. It's better to confirm every time.
Okay. So basically we put our entry, stop loss, and take profit, and that's it. And Alt and T in your case. I set my hotkeys to Control B, but for buying, but it's okay. It's really good. In 1 second, you have a perfect risk management. You don't need to know pips. You don't need to know anything. You just need to know how much are you going to risk. What's your risk per trade? And this is pretty cool because this indicator does it all. But talk to me now, Maurizio, if you can, about I want to open a trade for gold, but I don't want one trade. I want 2 trades to be open for gold with a predefined risk. How do I do it?
So we can go to the same window, indicator list, position size calculator. And like I said, we go all the way down. There is a lot of options, but yeah, we don't need them all. So here, where it says script take profits number, basically you have to choose if you want to open a trade and you want to have several take profits, basically. You want to have several points where you want to get out of your trade. So you select here how many levels you want. Let's say you want to have 3 levels.
Okay.
So we click OK. I'm removing the average true range option because I think it can be confusing. We can talk about it another time.
Okay.
So we set
I
up
really like it. But
the
it's
number
okay.
of take profit, number 3. So we click OK. You close.
How can I open more than 1 trade?
Let's say we have 1 trade. So our risk is 0.4. Okay.
Percent. Okay.
So this is our risk, and this is the total risk in euro value. But let's say this 0.4, we want to have for this trade with this risk 3 exit points. You know, point 1, point 2, point 3. So.
But how many entries did you have? 1?
You just set 1 entry. You see here the indicator gives you 1 entry.
Okay.
It's 1 entry for all of them. For all these take profit. I mean, it's 1 trade basically with 3 different take profit.
And where did you go to enable those take profits? To Psc-Trader again, right?
No, it was here. It was here. It was here. Scroll down and then is here. Script take profit number.
Oh, so inside the position size calculator. Okay.
Yes.
And then you decided the script take profit number. Okay, for how many target profits do you want? Okay, all right, I follow.
It says here more than 1 target for the script to split.
I see it.
So basically then you have your entry, you have your stop loss, this one value, and then you have several take profits, let's say 1970 and 1980. okay? Those are your levels, and they're going to be reflected on the chart.
Okay.
Uh,
Oh yeah, because of the green lines. Beautiful, Mauricio.
yeah, the green lines, I mean, it's custom. You need to work a little bit. You need to go, you need to go here once again. And in the beginning, you can choose here the color. You see stop loss, take profit, entry line, stop loss line color, and
Okay,
everything. And
okay.
there is here to show these numbers, the lots, the numbers of the risk or the profit. To show the numbers, there is an option here which is this one: show additional take profit label and show additional stop loss
So
label.
you make sure they are all true.
They have to
Okay.
be true. Yes, they have to be true. I'm just showing that you have to activate this option, otherwise you will not see the description. Like this is nice. I mean,
All
to
right.
know. Here is your trade. So you have your 3 levels, and you can also decide how much of the side of the position size. The position size is fixed. Is this one? Is 1.16. It will be divided into 3 take profit. You can decide how much of the position you want to take off at each level. Where you do this? Into the script tab. So here it's equally divided: 33% at take profit 1, 33% at take profit 2, and 33% at take profit 3. In fact, you see here the number of lots is the same: 38, 38, 40. Let's say I want to take off half of my position at the first level, and the rest I want to do 25, 25. As you can see here, the first take profit has a 0.58 lot size, and the rest they have a 0.29, which is
Nice.
25%, 25, 50%.
Okay, and this
So
is
here you can
inside of
decide,
script. Okay.
yeah, if you want to go,
The
you want to take
right
out
upper
how
corner
much you want to
tab.
take out, and that's it. Then you can again use your key Alt T in my case, or double click. And in the confirmation, it says multiple. It means that he's going to open multiple.
Okay.
So then you click OK. And what he will do, he will open 3 trades
Nice.
with the same entry, the same stop loss, but different take profits. And the size, if you sum 0.58, 0.29, 0.29, is exactly this one, 1.16, the one that you indicate in the tab.
Beautiful. So what if I don't want 3 target profits? What if I just want 2 trades with 1 entry and 1 take profit, but I want to divide my risk with with these 2 trades?
What you can do, if I get your question, Carissa, is you can remove the value from the other 2 take profit. You can leave the script like this without going back to the option. You can go to script. You can remove here the percentage. So here you have 0, 0, 0, 0. You can say, okay, I will open this trade. Let me close this one.
The problem is it's set for 50% there, right? But actually I want 2 trades,
yeah, so
2 different trades.
You want 2 trades, but
yes,
you want to take profit.
Just one. There are 2 trades and they both have 1 target profit. How do I do it?
So the same target profit. You have to.
They can be the same. I don't know.
The entry is the same, right?
Yes, the answer is the same.
Stop loss is the same.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. What is the take profit for the first trade? You put it here.
So the first trade, you can put it there 64, and the second trade 75.
And this 75. Okay. Now, what is that you want to achieve? What do you want to do?
I want to make money.
Yeah, so you have here how much you want to take off.
No, there are 2 trades, Maurice. It's not the same trade. It's just there are 2 trades. They're open at the same level. So one trade will end at 64 and the other trade is going to end at 75.
What is your risk? So you have to decide. This is the thing. You have to you work around the indicator because the indicator is not that smart.
Okay.
So total risk, like what is your risk for the first trade and your risk for the second trade?
Make sure my risk is 0.5% per trade.
So 0.5% per trade, and you want 2 trades.
Yes.
For the indicator, that's 1%.
Aha, I see it.
So you set up 1%, you know that he is going to divide the 1% into 0.5 and 0.5, and that's how you get your trade.
But how does the indicator know I have 2 trades instead of 1?
He doesn't know. It's you who tell him, you are telling him to open 2 trades because you're setting 2 take profits. This is the script is going to split into 2 trades, whatever is your risk here.
So I don't need to enable anything. I just have to have, you know, the take profit table again. Can you show me that again, Maurizio? It's the script something table.
It's here. So this is get filled automatically.
Double click Psc-Trader and enable something there that I don't remember.
What is gonna do now? What do you think is going to do? He's going to open 2 trades of 0.5 risk, like you asked, and those are the levels. The entry is the same for both. These are the 2 levels, and look. Yeah, okay, it was bigger. It was 1%, so it's 0.5, 0.5. This is the lots. He divided this value, 2.39, the position size, which is 1%. He divided into 2 trades. So
you're basically talking about this, right? The 2 trades, bottom screen for XAU for gold. One is open with 1 point, actually it's pending, right? With 1.2 lots, and the other one is 1.19 lots, right? And they both represent 0.5% because the indicator risk was set to 1. But can you please double click Psc-Trader to see where we actually set this thing up, Maurizio?
You mean the option again?
No, no. Double click Psc-Trader, please.
You mean this one?
No, I mean, I don't know. This is what I'm asking you. Okay, so this is not from Psc-Trader. Ah, so that is what I was asking.
It's the same option.
So this is when you right click the position size. Okay, no, we have to show this. Just close this a bit, Maurizio.
Okay, if you're not comfortable with this, you can go here on the left. You can go on the indicator. You know, the navigator tab of MT4.
Oh yeah.
Indicator.
Way better.
Here you can,
position size, calculator, perfect.
Yes. And you can actually, you have to double click.
Double click, position size, calculator.
Yeah.
Okay, noted. So we make sure we have enabled the script take profit number, right, for the target profits.
Yes.
And here is 1. So whenever you set 2 take profits, and because here just says 1, the indicator will understand that we have to have 2 trades. This is pretty cool. So basically we have to set 2 things there. The first thing is to set that number for the position size indicator number 1 if you just want to have 1 target profit, okay? So
if you want to trade only 1 trade, yeah, you can just remove this, go to script, put 100% on the first take profit and leave the rest to 0.
Nice. Where is that? Is this on swaps? No.
Script on the last one.
The upper right corner. Okay, script. Okay, perfect. So you set your share percent for the trade, okay? And we are here on main. Okay.
And you are good to go like this. You're good to go.
Okay, so to sum up, 2 things must be set. The first thing is the number of take profits, okay, with that script take profit thing. And the second thing, one thing is not clear to me, okay, because we have things to be set on Psc-Trader and things to be set on the position size indicator per se. Okay, so
everything is set in the position size calculator. Everything is set. The only thing you set up in the Psc-Trader script is the hotkey. The only thing you
really?
set up is
okay.
Yes.
Okay, now I see my confusion. Okay, perfect.
Everything else comes from here.
Beautiful.
From the position size calculator, which is the indicator, not the script. Because inside the indicator, you have a tab, you have many tabs, you have main, risk, margin, swaps, and script. Maybe that was confusing. But is the tab script inside the indicator?
Now it's clear. Okay. So usually you play for just one take profit. And if your position size calculator is set for just one take profit, and the moment you write the second take profit, it means that it will open 2 trades, right?
Yeah, be sure, even if I write now, just to give an example, I write now, but be sure, as you can see here on the right, it says 0 lots. Why? Because be sure that the script tab has a percentage share. Because if last time you put to 0 and you forget to update, then you will show 0. But if you put 50% and 50%.
Nice. Now the lines are showing. Perfect.
Now it's showing the value. So always double check if you are opening, because maybe last time you wanted to open only with one. So always double check.
So we basically use just the main and the script. Beautiful.
Yes, that's what I use.
This is...
I mean, I look at risk sometimes if I want to just look at how much risk I'm at, because this indicator tells you all the open trades that you have and all the pending trades. If you count, he will tell you how much you are risking in real time. So you know if you can open new trades or not.
Beautiful. Yeah, because you can place the trade. If you go here to script, the indicator can subtract open positions and even the pending orders. This is pretty cool. So you don't increase your risk. And your risk is stable.
Pair. This works only with the current pair. So for example, let's say you have to set up a maximum position size.
Oh, otherwise it won't work.
Yeah, let's say you have a limit on gold. You say, I will never trade more than, I don't know, 3 lots of gold. Okay. So with these 2 options selected, and this is it's like your strategy, it's like your rules. You have a rule that any given time during your day, during your trading life, you never want to have more than 3 lots with gold open at any given time. So in this moment we have 1.2 and 1.19. So we have 2.39. We still have a little bit of room, right? Let's see what happens if I want to open 2 more lots of gold. Okay, let's see if he lets me do it. It doesn't work. You see?
Okay.
It doesn't work. Why? So because I'm exceeding. If I open 2 lots, I'm exceeding the 3 lots. He won't let me open. But if I want to open just 0.2, he will let me open the trade.
Okay. Beautiful. It's so good when we can make such a nice risk management, because wow, we can persist a long time even if we're wrong. Okay, I think that's it, Mauricio. I got it. I have to edit this thing, but thanks again. You're awesome.
Thank you.